A question that beginners often ask is, I have X amount of money to invest into my Amazon business. How much money can I expect to make in returns, and how long is it going to take for me to build a six-figure business, a seven-figure business, or just to, become full-time? So we are going to look at all the numbers today. I made a quick spreadsheet for you guys, but before we actually look at this spreadsheet and we look at the number and I explain every single number to you, we have a Discord server, all right? These questions came straight from a live call that we had on Discord 2 or 3 days ago, where I had that question from someone who had, I don't remember how much money to invest, but yeah, this video is for you, and this video is for every single one of you that actually are wondering this, right? So join the Discord server, link in the description. Best place to ask any questions you may have regarding selling on Amazon, best place to meet new people selling on Amazon, best place to network, and best place to reach out to me. All right, so let's look at this spreadsheet. So first of all, a good rule of thumb is that if you invest $1,000, if you buy $1,000 of inventory, when it all sold out, when it all sells out, it's gonna sell out for $2,000. Okay, so it's gonna sell out for twice the price if you buy conservatively good inventory, right? So of that, 20% of the $2,000 is going to be profit. 20% profit margins is a pretty good benchmark. This is something that is not too hard to get to. This is something that you should get to super fast. So if you look at all this, also the inventory turnover, so your inventory is gonna flip 6 times, right? So once you buy your inventory on day 1, it's going to take you around 60 days to sell your inventory, in like around 2 months, 60 days, 2 months, to sell all your inventory, right? So after 1 year of reinvesting every single dollar that you made back into the business, you're going to have like around $7,500 of capital, right? So as you've been able to see, you're not going to make millions on year 1, right? If you only have $1,000, you're not going to grow to $1 million business super fast, right? It's going to take time, but it's going to be like you can grow in a couple of years to that point. So let's just see. After year 1, we have $7,529 to reinvest into the business, and so yeah, after this year, you're gonna have 56,000 in cash, because it's capital, it's not revenue, it's cash plus inventory, right? And so after that year, if you reinvest every single dollar that you make, that you started with, like you started with $1,000, you reinvest every single bit of profit and just cash that you get into the business. After 2 years, you're gonna have $56,689, all right? Let's just call it 57,000. And after year 3, you are just capital, you are at $429. So after year 3, you can buy a house easily if you want to, if you have reinvested all your money, right? But just to set the expectation right, I just want to set the expectation right with you guys. It's going to take a little time, right? It's going to take a little time for you to build this business. This is not something that builds overnight. You're going to need a few years, but like if you stick with it, you are going to be able to, you should be able to, let's look at it. If we reinvest this, you should be a millionaire by year 4. You can do it. You can become, if you reinvest every single dollar that you make, you're going to be a millionaire by year 3. No, it's not going to be that easy, because like once you grow, it's getting harder to spend money and stuff. But after a few years, you can become a seven-figure seller. It's not going to be that difficult. Just keep learning how to source, but reinvest super aggressively back into your business if you want your business to grow, because you need to feed the bees, you need to buy inventory, you need to send inventory to Amazon all the time if you want to grow this business, all right? So I hope it answers your question. So just to a quick recap, you will need, if you want $5,000 in sales, you will need to spend $2,500. So you will need to spend half of that on inventory to get that in sales, right? Your profit margin is going to be around 20%, which is an average of 40% return on investment, and you are going to need like 60 days on average from the day you buy your inventory to flip it. All right, so just keep this number in mind. I'll leave the spreadsheet in the description if you want to play with it, and I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe, like this video. I release a new video on selling on Amazon every single day. Quick videos like this one, sometimes longer videos. So yeah, subscribe, like this video, join the Discord server, watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning. about selling on Amazon, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. I'll see you on the Discord server as well. Thank you for watching.